Open and racing. Caradura draws for your lead. Moving up by the rail is Manila's Gem. Hot Gossip is down in third, followed by Anopos. Ayanako moving up by the rail. Matter of Honor. Then comes Treasure Hunter. Quick Action running second last. Engedi and Dr. Choice is in behind them. Past the last 800, Caradura in command by about 3 lengths. Manila's Gem is in second, down in third. Ayanako. Treasure Hunter is running in fourth by the rail. Is entry number 2, Matter of Honor. Moving up is Unopposed. Then comes Hot Gossip, Quick Action, Dr. Choice, and Gedi now bringing up the rear as they swing to the last 450. Caradura still out in front, moving up by the release. Manila's Gem. Manila's Gem running by the rail. Caradura is sorry outside. Treasure Hunter is running in third. Matter of Honor in fourth, moving up. Quick Action with the last 75 meters more to run. Manila's Gem over Caradura, and finally Manila's Gem, Caradura, Treasure Hunter, Matter of Honor, and Unopposed for your pentapecta. Then comes
Okay, sa ating winner take all, matitira po dyan, 1,108. Masaya na yung mga ano niya, mga nag-aabang
Sa pick 6
niya.
naman, 49,160.